Right, you're welcome. So, for the second video, I'll be jumping steps. And if you are confused about the steps I've jumped, you can check the part one of this uh, tutorial. So, this is what we'll be having. Um, 8 factorial cancel 8 factorial, 8 minus x. So, we're left with x factorial equals 6. Therefore, x equals 3. Because we know 3 factorial equals 6. That is 3 times 2 times 1. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is equals 6. So it means x equals 3. The next question, if 6 permutation r plus 1 equals 6 permutation 2, what is r? Wow, I'm just seeing something right now. I was actually about to prove it, but look at it. 6 6 pp r plus 1 equals 2. And you are asked what is r. Therefore r plus 1 equal, okay, by comparing uh having r plus 1 equal 2. Therefore r equal 2 minus 1 plus 1. That's straightforward. And if you want the proof, just ask me at the comment side below. I'll post it. Right, question 7. If 18 combination r minus 18 combination r plus 2 equals 0, find r combination 5. So it means we're looking for r. Already given us the formula for combination in the initial video. So we just go straight to the point and expand the left hand side, the side. Right, this is what the expansion will look like. So how do we solve this? I'm saying fraction. So I will just take the LCM. Right, take the LCM to be their product. It means everything here will be attached to this. Everything here will be attached to this. So this is what we're going to be having. Right, so this is what we're going to be having. The product as the LCM, and this is here. This is here. Okay. And the good part is it's equal to 0. So it means everything here at the denominator equals 0. If I cross multiply, 1 times everything here remains. Everything here times 0 equals 0. So it will look like this. Okay, so that's what we're having. The only difference, what I did was I used this minus to open this bracket. So we're having minus r minus 2. That's what we're having here. Okay, so everything here, I'm going to take it to the side. So it will become 18 factorial. 18 minus 2 is 16 minus r factorial. Factorial equal 18 factorial. 18 minus r factorial. So 18 factorial cancels 18 factorial. The goal is actually to eliminate all everything that looks like factorial. So what do? We can't get 16 factorial with 18 factorial, but we can get 16 factorial from 18 factorial, because 18 minus 1 is 17, minus 2 is 16. So this is set to. We can get r factorial from here, so that it will eliminate. That's 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 2 0. So we're left with r. So this is what we're going to be having. Please just study it very well. You're going to understand. So I've expanded this and I stopped at 16 minus r factorial. So it's going to eliminate this. I've expanded this as 2 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 0, so that this r factorial will cancel this r factorial. I told you the goal is to take away everything that looks like factorial. This takes this, so we're left with So this is what we're left with. The next thing is just to expand this normal expansion, quadratic expansion. So, right. So this will be the expansion. R times R squared, R times 1, R 2 times R, so 1 R plus 2 R equal 3 R, 2 times 1, 2, and the same thing with the dash which is left hand side. This R squared can take away this R squared. This 3R minus that's 3R, that's 5R can come here. So it will be 3R plus that's 5R equals 306. If 2 comes here, it will be negative 2. So I'm having 38R equal 304 over 38 over 38 R equal 8. Okay, we're asked to simplify K permutation 7, K combination 7. All right, so I will just expand that and it will look like this. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. This take this takes this. I'm left with 7 factorial, and 7 factorial is 5040. And 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, that will give us 5040. Okay, I believe we are conversant with this. The issue here is this. So I want you to note n combination, permutation 0 is 1. Anything permutation 0 is 1, is always 1. And note that 0 factorial is 1. Okay, I haven't said that. So what stands here is just 100. And then this, I'm going to expand it. So this is what it's going to look like. Right, so this is what it's going to look like. So everything here is 1. So I'm left with 1 over 4. Okay. Let me see. I'm coming. Oh, there's a problem with the question, but there's no problem. 4 factorial plus 100. I'll just take that one as question 10. This is not actually the question. So there's 1 over 4. 4 factorial is 24 plus 100. That's 124 over 4. 2, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 1 equal 31. Okay, now question 10, which will be the real question. Okay, so this is the real question. This is permutation 5 and permutation 5. So I'm going to expand it the same way I expanded question 9. Okay, so this is what we're having. We already know that n factorial will cancel n factorial. Now the question is, between minus 4 and minus 5, which are we going to expand? Like among the two of them, which one are we going to expand to actually cancel this factorial sign? I believe you are picking n minus 4, because we are going to be having n minus 4. The next value will now be n minus 5, because minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. So I'll be expanding it below. So there's it, n minus 4, n minus 5. So n minus 5 will cancel this. I'm left with 1 over 4, n minus 4. 4 factorial is 24 plus 100. So this give me 1 over 4. 24 times n, 24n minus 24 times 4 give me 96 plus 100. So I'm left with 1 over 4, 24n plus 4, because minus 96 plus 100 is 4. So I'm going to be having 24n over 4 plus 4 over 4. So this will give me 6n plus 1. That's the final answer. Okay, we're asked to simplify this. You know everything here is 1 already. So I'm having n. Please, I want you to note, don't forget to always repeat this r for combination. So n factorial becomes n factorial. So I can get negative 3 from negative 2. It will be n minus 2. The next value will be n minus 3, because minus 2 minus 1. I can continue to n minus 4, but no, I'll stop there, because this is n minus 3 factorial. I'm not going to forget my 1 here. Okay, so n cancels there. So we're left with n minus 2. 2 factorial is actually 2. That's 2 times 1. 2 plus 1. So I'll be having 2n minus 4 plus 1, which equals 2n minus 3. That will be the final answer.